I want to shock you for a moment. Do you know that you can learn literally everything with the help of AI tools? You can use AI as your assistant to learn literally everything that you want to learn. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And we are going to be using cryptocurrency as our case study. We're going to use AI to help us learn what the cryptocurrency is as a complete beginner. So here I am in ChatGPT right here. I've opened up ChatGPT, and the first thing is to give ChatGPT instruction. Tell ChatGPT to actually help me learn, you know, cryptocurrency as a complete beginner. That is a prompt I just gave ChatGPT right now. Let's see the result. ChatGPT quickly outlined the things that I need to do to get into the cryptocurrency space, how I should go about the learning curve, what I need to do first, and in that order. But then there is something missing over here. I'll tell you more about that later. The thing is, as I prompt ChatGPT, based on my previous discussion with ChatGPT or interaction with ChatGPT, ChatGPT got to know that I am into forex trading as well. So it kind of tried to base the answers, the output around the fact that I already have some knowledge about this technical stuff. So I want us to do it such that ChatGPT will get to streamline everything to how a complete beginner is going to learn cryptocurrency. And we're going to do that shortly. But for now, let's go through what ChatGPT actually presented me with. All right. It outlines some calculation and other things in regards to, managing money when it comes to cryptocurrency. Right. So there are some basic questions that ChatGPT tries to ask me so that it could tailor everything to my specific needs. So I try to provide few answers to that question, like the capital that I'm going to use, and if I'm interested in doing, let's say, futures or spot trading, and so on and so forth. So I'm trying to provide answers to those particular questions, like the number of hours that I will spend a day to these lessons.
I'm weaving, I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit, so sharp, so.
After that, ChatGPT tried to personalize a 90-day crypto mastery plan for me, which has to do with phase 1, 2, 3, and so on. And it has been scheduled or divided into weeks, like first week you do this, that, second week you do this and that, and so on and so forth. So this is the twist over here. I'm trying to let ChatGPT know, even though I trade forex, I don't have any idea about crypto. All right, I'm trying to let ChatGPT know that even though I trade forex, I don't have any idea about crypto. So I want you to see me as a complete beginner, a novice, a newbie in this space, so that the lessons can be provided such that what a person who never had any idea about forex trading can be taken through the whole process. So this is where the main deal is coming to be delivered, right? So we're going to wait for, after prompting ChatGPT, we're going to wait for the reply. Once the reply comes, you're going to see exactly the most important things that you need to start learning or you need to do to get into the cryptocurrency space. ChatGPT is going to align those things for you and even give you sources that you could actually better your understanding. All right. All right. So we start from the very beginning. What's cryptocurrency? What's a blockchain, coins, and tokens? Very, very detailed one, because you cannot actually go into cryptocurrency without knowing what a cryptocurrency is. You don't without knowing what a coin is, what a token is. Somebody may even see Ethereum and be like, Ethereum is a token. No, that's not a token. All right. So you need to actually know this basic stuff before you delve deeper into the trading aspect of things. So these are some important outline ChatGPT is trying to put out over here. like the suggested learning roadmap. All right. So you have to learn about this, the foundations of the crypto, how to buy and sell, you know, the market mechanics, the basic technical analysis, and we have risk management. Then we have, you know, taking a real trade, then talking about strategy and journaling. Then that is it. All right. So basically, this is how you can actually utilize the power of the AI that we have currently to help you study a lot of these things fast, fast. When I was starting this cryptocurrency journey, this is not there. So I had to go through some trial and errors. I have to struggle for knowledge to get hold of, the cryptocurrency knowledge. But right now, everything is literally available. You don't have any excuse not to learn anything that you want to learn. If you are interested in, let's say, videography, you could actually get a theoretical aspect from, the AIs available. Then you try to get your camera and do the practical. You understand? Everything is learnable online. You don't have any excuse not to start showing up, not to start, you know, putting in the work and get a result that you actually deserve. You deserve better. So yeah, whatever you want to learn, go ahead, do that. All right. So here, ChatGPT actually provided me with a link to an Excel sheet. All right, provided me a link that I could just go ahead and download that spreadsheet. I mean Excel that I can easily use. All right, I can easily uh, input data into it, and the good part is that some of the things it has a formula in it. I mean the Excel, it has a formula in it that I could easily use to my advantage when I'm trying to journal and all those stuff. Right. Kindly go ahead and hit the like button on this video and also subscribe, turn on notification. That's the most important one. Turn on notification because I got a lot of goodies. I got a lot of videos coming your way. Right.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart, oh